My message to the association is for them to continue to do more. Like BRF will tell you, the reward of good work is more work. And if you see what they are doing, they continue to improve on their activities on regular basis. This is awesome. And I'm happy to be associated with them. And professional women, and truly they are professionals. Career officers, doctors, lawyers, in their means, vice chancellor, permanent secretaries, top government functionaries, top businesswomen. We are happy that our women can come together to be doing this, what they are doing. They are doing wonderfully well. You may not see them everywhere, but they are good people. They are doing what is expected of them. You can see the empowerment they did today. More than 40 people were given to 200,000 naira. No, that is a good one. At least that money will impact on the life of those people they have empowered. So I will employ or advise other women, other professionals to join them. These are not Egbe Kiloko Leshe, not association of what can their husband do. This is what the husband should do to support them. And they are supporting the community. So I'm happy for them. And I'm happy and I'm proud to be associated with them. The award is a challenge. That is, they have recognized me and they have awarded me. That means they appreciate what we're doing in the community. That means I must do more. And I will show the people that